Setting the system up to protect against Legionella can be done quickly and easily using the touchscreen controller. Legionella protection needs to be configured after the initial controller setup. This is not included in the inbuilt system configurator, but we'll show you how to do this quickly and easily. First, check if heater support has been enabled. Select the water icon on the home screen and then tap the temperature in the centre of the screen, then select Additional Settings, which is the bottom icon on the left. If only Domestic Hot Water (DHW Hysteresis) is visible, heater support needs to be enabled to set up Legionella protection. Alternatively, if heater support has been enabled, it will appear on screen listed as Disinfection. Use the back arrow in the top left corner to navigate back to the home screen. From the main menu, go to the Settings icon on the bottom left. Select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Select Installation Controller from the menu. Scroll through the menu to find Heaters. You will see two options with a toggle switch next to them. Toggle DHW Heater to On and additional options will appear. Click on the heater delay, set it to 60 minutes and tap the green tick to save. Use the back arrow in the top left corner to navigate back to the home screen. You need to check the setup has been saved correctly and is showing in the additional settings of the water menu. To do this, follow the same steps we took at the beginning of this video. Select the water icon on the home screen and then tap the temperature in the centre of the screen. Select Additional Settings, which is the bottom icon on the left. Disinfection should now be listed on screen. Ensure disinfection is toggled to On and the display is showing additional settings such as the day, start hour and preset temperature for Legionella protection. You can adjust these parameters by simply selecting each one. Legionella disinfection should be scheduled in a window that is a minimum of 1 hour after a scheduled domestic hot water demand and in a setback heating demand period. This is to avoid the least amount of loss in the heating circuits. The Legionella protection cannot be run twice in a calendar day should the schedule be changed within the settings. If in any doubt, refer to the Legionella protection section in the Aerona Smart Controller Installation and Operating Instructions.